Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Qumatix Trading Bot. Qumatix is an automated trading bot designed for crypto enthusiasts who want to take advantages of market opportunities without consistently monitoring charts. It promises smart algorithms, automated execution, and hands-free trading. But is it really worth your time? Let's dive in. Some of its core features are executes trades automatically based on preset strategies, use machine learning to analyze market trends and signals, get notifications about trades, profits, and risk management. Users can adjust settings to match their risk tolerance and works with several popular crypto exchanges for flexibility. Also, you have control and monitor over your trades from both desktop and mobile. But moving on to the drawbacks, subscription costs, no free and higher tier plans may be expensive for beginners. Market risk still applies. Even with automation, you can still lose money if the market turns volatile. It requires some understanding of trading strategies to get the best results, and algorithm details are not fully disclosed, which may concern advanced traders. Overall, Qumatix Trading Bot is a handy tool if you're looking to automate your crypto trades and save time. It offers AI-powered insights, customization, and broad exchange support. However, keep in mind that it comes with costs, requires some trading knowledge, and cannot eliminate market risk. Use it as an assistant, not a guaranteed money maker. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.